Hello there, this is Clone Brother Reviews, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can make a LEGO Governor Pryce minifigure. Starting off, I took the dual molded legs from this Batman minifigure. The torso I used comes from Admiral Ray Sloan. The head that I ended up using comes from Tina Goldstein. The final minifigure you'll want is this police officer, and you're going to want to take its hair. Hopefully your minifigure should look something like this now. Feel free to pause here if you still need a moment to put it together. Hopefully you found this tutorial useful. This was requested by Andreas Grove on the original Governor Pryce tutorial that I made. Make sure you've liked this video and subscribed if you haven't already, and maybe leave a suggestion if you'd like to see something in the future.